In this section, we'll be combining multiple terms of radicals and simplifying them. When we simplify radical expressions, we combine like radicals, just as when we're combining monomials in a polynomial, we combine like terms that are raised to the same power, right? As long as I have the same base and the same power, I can combine. The same with radicals. If I have the same index and the same radicand, then I can combine my terms. Here I have radical, or the cube root of 2 plus 4 cube root of 2. This is 1 cube root of 2, so I end up with 5 cube root of 2. So as long as I have the same radicand and the same index. Here I have 2 radical 2 plus 3 radical 2 minus 8, so I have 8 radical 2 minus 8. Here I can factor out an 8, I get radical 2 minus 1. Here I have 3 radical 7 minus 5 radical 28. I just want to see if we can factor or pull out from our radical. I have a 4 or 2 squared times 7. So I have 3 radical 7 minus 5 times 2. Take out the 2 radical 7. So I have 3 radical 7 minus 10 radical 7 gives me negative 7, negative 7 radical 7. Here I have the same radical index and radicand, 5t, so I can combine these. I end up with 11 cube root of 5t. Here I have cube root, and 2x, 2x, 2x is my radicand, so I can combine these terms. 8 plus 3 minus 8 is, these two will cancel, so I end up with 3 cube root of 2x. Here I have 7 times the cube root of 2 plus 6 times the cube root of 150. I want to see if 150 factors to a cube root that's the same as 3 radical 2. I get 5, 15, 5, and 3. There's no sets of 3 that I can take out of 150, so this stays as is. This is as simplified as it can get because my terms are not alike. Here I have radical 98, so I'm going to factor tree and see if I can't get a like radical out of these. 98, 2, 49, 7, 7, so I'll have 7 radical 2, and 72, I'll take 2 into that. I guess 3 times 36, 6, 6, minus 6 radical 2. And then 32 I know is 2 to the 5th, so I can, that's the same as 2 squared times 2 squared. So I can take a 2 squared times 2 to the 1. So I can, no, it's not. Yes, it is. So now I can take out a 2 squared, so plus 4 radical 2. Now I have like radicals, so I have 1 and 5 radical 2.